Perfect.
God damn, he didn't go anywhere. Good shot. Go get. You want that other dog off to practice?
Ah, just big.
Holy shit. That was a good one.
Other way they go, they run away. We don't find anymore.
Good job. Man, you killed it.
Hog, man.
Huh? He's got good teeth? Oh, look at the teeth on that.
Look at the teeth. Look at the teeth.
Yeah. It's not the same like before.
It's not, no, the other
It's
one's
more
twice
bigger.
the other one's twice as big.
Yes.
But look at the teeth on this. Yeah, he's got big teeth. Big cutters.
Oh yeah, that's good. 2.5, 3 inches.
That's huge. The big.
Yeah, that hog Taylor that we jumped earlier.
Oh, we see him, right?
The black and orange one. Did y'all see him?
Yeah.
Yeah.